In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete skills from your LinkedIn profile. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn.com. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, it's time to log into your account. You can do this by signing in with either Google or Microsoft, or by simply using your email address and password. If you've taken the smart step to set up two-factor authentication for added security, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your account. Typically, this is done by entering a code that gets sent to your registered phone number. It's an extra layer of security, ensuring that your login process is secure. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your LinkedIn profile. You can do this by taking a look at the upper right corner of the page where you'll see your avatar picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select View Profile. This takes you directly to your profile page, which is your personal LinkedIn space showcasing your professional journey. Once you've reached your profile page, scroll down until you find the Skills section. This is the area of your profile that highlights your various abilities and proficiencies, providing a snapshot of what you bring to the table. To start editing, locate the Edit icon. This is typically represented by a small pencil symbol on the right-hand side of the Skill section. A click on this icon allows you to make changes to the list of skills displayed on your profile. Here, you'll see all the skills you've previously added. It's a good time to review them and pinpoint the specific skill or skills that you'd like to remove. After identifying the particular skill you wish to delete, simply click on it, and you'll notice an option to delete it. Selecting this option will effectively remove the selected skill from your profile. Once you are satisfied with these changes, it's crucial not to forget the final step, saving your changes. Look around for the Save button, typically situated in the same area where you were editing your skills. Clicking Save ensures that all the adjustments you've made are applied to your profile, keeping your LinkedIn presence accurate and up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a skill from your LinkedIn profile. Regularly updating your list of skills is a valuable practice. It helps maintain a professional and current profile, making it easier for potential employers or collaborators to understand all that you offer. Keep your profile reflective of your most relevant and impressive capabilities, and you'll stand out in the best way possible. Thank you for watching, and make sure to keep your LinkedIn profile as dynamic as your career.